was waiting for you at the door. Okay, let's quit. Wait. I know my name's Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And I am back with another video this day. We finna get lit up in this joint, you know what I'm saying? Get a little lit, get a little, you know, our hair done. Well, I'm doing my hair. I wish I was getting it done. But yeah, I did my hair. I just did like something real like basic. I wanted to be like bedhead but better. Like I just woke up, effortless curls, you know. But yes, if you guys want to get lit with me while I do my hair, then definitely keep on watching. And if you guys want to see more of these videos, definitely like this video. Oh, so I'm gonna slow it down, then I'm gonna pick it up. So we're gonna start off with a little throwback, throw busy back, you know what I'm saying? So let's just go on and, you know, it's my song for real, for real.
Without you, another one. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And another one. Take it back in your shivering. Tongue delivering. Chills up to your system. Think I really missed it. Way she used to rub my back when I hit that. Way she used to giggle when your ass would wiggle.
Bruh, if y'all don't know about this song, something's wrong with y'all. Period.
To my baby girl in the interviews now, and I'm doing the problems from the 90s and the 2000s.
Get it to me, a girl. It's my part.
Into you, I really like what you've done to me. Really explain it.
And that's when I just walk off.
Fashion overdress, just to see her ass in. Twerk for my Instagram. She just got 100 missed calls. It's her man. Damn. Oh, that's a nigga now, huh? Said you wasn't with him, now you with him now, huh? You keep running to me, then you push me away. You still ignore it, but I can't anymore. Forget you, but I can't. When it's good, I'm crazy.
Now this for real.
When it's bad, I'm crazy. R.I.P. to B.I.G. A handful of Weezy, sprinkle of Dave East. Man, I ain't got no type beans.
I'm just playing, but I'm saying.
Dreams of fucking one of these little rappers.
I'm just playing, but I'm saying.
So when I went fishing, there was diamonds on my bust. Now, ooh, fuck, what's the top? She take lines, you're such a fucking hoe.
I love it. Ball is so hard, they gon' be out of Chico. They gon' be out of Chico.
Fuck her with my chains on.
She like how I be kicking, she might think that I'm from Hong Kong. Everybody tell ball, if y'all ball.
Hey! Y'all laughing, huh?
They hating on me, but that come with being a star. Ain't gotta prove yourself when niggas know who you are. I'm like, what's up, Hefe? I'm like, little nigga, who you?
Need to speak, cause
Niggas know who I be.
take me finna quality, bitch, cause I still wait. White diamond in them shits in bank. Yeah, got color, you gon' get a me. Yeah, no finger ring shit, like I said. Got in the morning for cereal. Finger ring make the whole shit do an aerial. Yeah, the shit on it make the whole thing aerial. Sound is only really can have a bed for the burial. But every band, got my every 10 shoes. I got the sweat up, I leave them. Take it to the hang it, Gucci, make it all up, mommy, Gucci. Ooh, these game on strong. Fuck it up all night long. Beat it up, get back down. Yeah.
Oh, Miss Marie, she got a pretty pussy, got a big cousin, nigga fell in love with it. Oh, even if you got stretch while ain't even 2 children, I can't blame you, girl.
And that's the real nigga right there. That's a real nigga.
If I'm honest, every day I wear my chains.
He saw me on IG, thought I was a model, and I ain't with the goofy shit, y'all. I swear I'm too legit with this, y'all. Call that bitch, hey Arno. Flex on a broke bitch, flex on a broke hoe, flex on a broke nigga, flex on a broke nigga. Flex on your ex nigga, flex on your ex nigga. Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, F your pride. Alright y'all, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun. I hope you guys got lit with me while you were getting ready. and found some new songs, hopefully. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe right now. Be a part of the gang. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram at nasty.sunny, and I'm also on Snapchat at nasty.sunny. I post on there sometimes, not all the time, for real, for real. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.